In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your DJI Pocket 3 via the RTMP settings to live stream YouTube when you're out in a public setting. Now, it's really easy to connect the DJI Pocket 3 via a USB cable to your computer to live stream as a webcam, but these settings are going to show you how you can set it up to live stream when you're out in public, like say at a park or a music venue or wherever the case may be. So the first thing you're going to do is go in and you're going to connect to the camera, which I already did. You're going to go into the RTMP settings here, set up your live stream, and then you're going to get select network, which you're going to want a Wi-Fi. If you don't have a public Wi-Fi, then you hotspot off of your phone. So this Jason's Journeys is my phone hotspotted. And then for your RTMP settings, this is where it gets tricky. So when you go into your studio dashboard here for YouTube, you're going to click create, go live. There we go. So you're going to go live, and then you're going to get this screen. So this is the same screen you would see if you were on a computer, but you need to do it from the web browser on your phone since you're not going to have your computer with you. And when you scroll down, you're going to get your settings here. So you've got your stream key and your stream URL. So you're going to copy your stream URL. You're going to go back over here. You're going to paste that stream URL. Now you would think that's all you need to do because that's what it says, URL. And then when you press go live, nothing happens. Well, here's what you need to do. Add another backspace after the live to. Go back to your studio. Copy the stream key, which is unique to you. Then go back here. Paste that stream key, you can start the live stream. And now you'll see the live stream is in progress. On your phone, it's going to say live stream is in progress. And then what you can do is you'll kick back out and you'll go back to your studio, and there it is on your phone. And now what I needed to do is be able to find a way that I can chat and interact, see the chat. If you click on the three little buttons here at the top, then it gives you pop out chat. Then you're going to press pop out chat, and now you're going to get your chat screen on your phone. So now you can use the Pocket 3 as your live stream tool. And since the Pocket 3 doesn't give you chat on screen like if you were streaming from your phone, now you have your phone for the chat screen, and you can close this out at any time. Take a phone call, use it for your camera. Open up my camera, and then click three bars at the bottom. Click back to your chat screen at any time. So how I found this was trying to figure out how to get my DJI Mini 4 Pro set up to live stream. In the older firmware, there was only one spot. It was this stream, or the URL for the RTMP URL. And what those video tutorials said was you needed to enter the URL /stream key, and then your drone would go ahead and record or live stream. And so I started thinking, I've spent a year trying to get this Pocket 3 through different streaming apps, RTMP, everything to stream, and I've never been able to get it to stream. So I thought, let's try that with this, and lo and behold, it worked. So hopefully for those of you that want to use the DJI Pocket 3 to live stream in public settings, you can use your phone as your hotspot, and then you can get your chat right there on your phone. and they make a lot of really good attachments for the Pocket 3 that you can mount your phone right to the Pocket 3, so you've got the largest screen to see the chat while you're walking around live streaming. And other than that, the only thing I could say is 1080p is the best resolution that you can get with the Pocket 3 live streaming. You don't get the 4K quality, so if you're not too worried about the quality, 1080p, you can run around with that. Otherwise, for those of you that are using your phones because you want the 4K resolution, I guess it's still use your phone until hopefully maybe DJI comes out with the update and you can stream 3 or 4K. Hopefully that comes at some point. But I hope this helps. If you found value in this video, if it helped you to get your live streaming set up properly with the DJI Pocket 3, I'd appreciate a like, comment. Let me know how long you've been trying to get yours set up. For me, it's been a year. Like I messed around with it for a year before I finally figured it out. I've tried looking at YouTube. I've tried looking online. I've tried the DJI forums, and nothing seems to give me the proper settings per se to be able to do this. So if you found value or you finally got the settings set up, I'd appreciate a like, comment, let me know. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, I don't do a lot of tech stuff. As I figure this stuff out, I'll throw a video up. All my stuff's travel, a lot of Disney stuff. If you like that content, throw a subscribe for me, and let me know in the comments if you got a YouTube page too, and especially if it's Disney content. I'm always looking for other creators to collab with and also to follow and watch videos so I can get ideas, right? Like we all get ideas from each other, and so building that community, let me know what your channel is so I can follow along too. All right, see you next time.